Hallo daar, welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series, the perfect beginner's course to learn Afrikaans. Last time we did beroepe, professions in Afrikaans. This time we will cover kos, food in Afrikaans. Do subscribe if you enjoy our series. Worksheets and early videos are available on the Patreon. Les 13, kos, food. South Africa is known for having a rich and unique cuisine. Let's go over some basic food-related words in Afrikaans and then introduce you to the special South African cuisine. Eet en drink. Eet en drink. Let's use it in a sentence. Ons het saam gaan eet en drink. Ons het saam gaan eet en drink. Just as in other cultures, the different meals during the day have their own names. Maaltyd, maaltye, maaltyd, maaltye, ontbyt, ontbyt, middagete, middagete, aandete, aandete. In Afrikaans culture, aandete is the most important maaltyd, maaltyd. It is seen as a time for the household to sit together at the dinner table and often also a social event that friends or neighbors are invited to. Nagereg, nagereg, pudding, pudding. Let's look at the food categories and some examples. Vrugte, vrugte, appel, appel, naartjie, naartjie, pisang, pisang, groente, spinasie, spinasie, aardappel, aardappel, sampioene, sampioene, wortel, wortel. Separate videos will be made about the vrugte and groente. Suiwel, suiwel, melk, melk, kaas, kaas, botter, botter, proteïne, proteïne, vleis, vleis, boontjies, boontjies, neute, neute, graan, graan, rys, rys, pasta, pasta, brood, brood, toebroodjie, toebroodjie. Whatever type of food you put on your sandwich can be added in front to describe your sandwich. For example, ham, ham, kaas, kaas, ham en kaas toebroodjie, ham en kaas toebroodjie. Of grondboontjie botter, grondboontjie botter, grondboontjie botter toebroodjie, grondboontjie botter toebroodjie. Drankies, water, water, bier, bier, wyn, wyn, brandewyn, brandewyn. Another maaltyd in South African culture is teetyd, teetyd, something that has continued from the country's British past. Teetyd is seen as a gathering for friends to come together in the afternoon and socialize. Usually the host would provide the tee, Engelse tee, of rooibos tee, as well as some snacks. Peuselhappies, happies, peuselhappies, happies, soos cookies, cookies. In South Africa, coffee is also a big part of the culture. Coffee is drunk at various times throughout the day and is also part of socializing in the same way that tea is. It all just depends on what the person prefers. Usually coffee is paired with biscuit, a unique South African snack. Another maaltyd in South Africa is the braai, a special way of cooking over open coals. Be careful not to confuse a braai with a barbecue, as South Africans will be offended. A braai is also a social occasion, but it does not have to be. Add a braai groente, but mostly vleis is cooked. Chops, boerewors, sousati, braai vleis. Let's go over a few of the most famous South African foods. We will also show what meal these foods belong to. Pap en wors met sous. Bobotie, potjiekos, boereworsrol, biltong, droewors, koeksisters, malva pudding, melktert. Thank you for watching. Next time we do verbs in Afrikaans, werkwoorde. To test yourself, visit our Patreon for worksheets. Do watch this video again to study effectively. Baie dankie. Sharing, liking and subscribing will help our channel a lot. Comment any questions below. Bye!